Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to self-install Mediacom Internet modem, router and activation setup. First, unbox your Mediacom self-install kit and make sure you have Mediacom modem or gateway, power adapter, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, welcome letter with activation information, splitter if included. Step 1. Connect the modem. First, connect the coax cable from the wall outlet to the modem and then plug the modem into a power outlet. Now wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the modem lights to stop blinking. Step 2. Connect the router, if you have one. Connect an Ethernet cable from the modem to the router's Internet/WAN port. Then turn on the router and wait a few minutes for the router to fully charge. Step 3. Connect your device. Join the default Wi-Fi network shown on the modem/router label or connect a computer directly using an Ethernet cable. Step 4. Activate your Mediacom service. Open a web browser on your connected device and go to the Mediacom activation page. Then, there, sign in with your Mediacom account or follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the activation process to finish. Step 5. Set up your Wi-Fi. Open your router settings or Mediacom app and change the Wi-Fi network name SSID if desired. Now create a strong Wi-Fi password and save the changes. Step 6. Test the internet. Connect your phone, tablet, or computer to Wi-Fi and open a website to make sure the internet is working. Now restart the modem and router if you have connection issues. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.